All right. I am about to go check out this property and you are going to come along with me. And I'm super excited about it because it's original. It was built in 1965 and I love an old home. And everything, almost everything in there looks like it's original, and it was the original owner that is selling it. So let's go take a look. This is the exterior to the property. I do want to warn you, it might be a little hard to watch this. I did not have a gimbal. I promise my next property tour I will. I tried to slow down the areas that might make you a little seasick. Thank you for watching. Oh, wow. Okay. Can we appreciate this? Oh. It's this kind of stuff. Open the front door. And I love that you're on a higher elevation. Goodness. I mean, look at that light fixture. So when you walk in, what do we have here? We have the master suite. And then it does have the bathroom. Let's see here. So the flooring has had some update. Look at that. It's the details. There's an outlet above the mirror. And I do like the banister. So you do have this original paneling, which would look great, painted. It's actually 13-foot ceilings in here, although the ceiling fans make it feel smaller. You know, I'm almost 6 feet tall because it leads into the kitchen. You could have yourself a nice open kitchen. This brick flooring throughout. No way! It is. Oh my gosh, I grew up in a house that had a thing like this. The laundry room leads to the oversized garage where there is a storage unit and then like a small workshop. But how fast I was swooping through here, I didn't put the footage in here because I think it would just be a little too much. All the storage. All right, so let's go check out the formal dining, which could really be a great office. A lot more. Oh man, I had this kind of carpet growing up. Okay. Okay, the fact that this is accessible and so much of it is accessible. This one is almost a second master. I'm gonna look and see how big this one is. But, oh, it's a Jack and Jill. Okay. Okay, so you go through one and then it connects to the hall bathroom, which has the shower. Let's see how tall the shower is. So these houses always have like low shower heads. Oh yeah. So they all have these low shower heads, and I guess it's, you know, because maybe just so you don't wash your hair at the same time, but it looks good in here. Okay, so then we leave and we come over here to the other two bedrooms and we'll do the measurements on these. Wow, another, you know, this is as close as you get to walk-in closet. Oh, my stomach is growling. What? Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, okay. A built-in desk. Wow. I noticed on the ceiling below, there was a little bit of water damage, and I would venture to guess that The line probably got a little bit of water in there. It's really common. It can cause water to leak. Let's go outside and see what that is looking like. All right, let's go check it out. Wow. None of these open. None of these windows open. Sprinkler system. Oh my. I wonder how far back this lot goes. The fact that there isn't a fence is interesting. A lot of dogs out here. The leaves out here in Tyler are no joke. Okay, so that's our gas, and there's an electric cooktop. A lot of moss. Siding looks really good. Siding is expensive to put on property. Okay, so how about that for a little throwback? I love some things about this property. And then there's just, it's a good canvas to switch it up. You could certainly do a lot with that. You could open it up from the kitchen to the living area. You could turn that other one into a living area. That converted porch could be like a cool little office thing. I would definitely fence it, and I would probably put a privacy fence to make it like a real sanctuary. It's quiet, there's bird watching, there's green space behind it. I'm gonna go take a look and see what's behind here. I've never been in this particular property or area. Okay, so this is actually what is behind the property. And let's take a look. That right there is about where the house is. Right? That's it, right down there. So I ended up seeing somebody outside of the house. So I'm gonna share the feedback that they had, and that is the backyard's unusable. They specifically wanted to put in a shop in the backyard, and they didn't feel like it was usable, and then the access to the backyard was an issue for them. But that is the tour for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of these, just let me know, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.